Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great, and thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. So I've actually introduced this wig to you before. The only difference is the color. I've introduced to you color 2 and 33, color 1 and 27, and this is 1 gray, because I also realized most of my clients love 1 gray. So guys, again, just comment down below if you love this color and if you love this style. So I'll leave all the details on how you can contact me in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. You can check my website or you can WhatsApp me. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.